Hello, happy Sunday, everybody. I went and picked up a few things. I'm gonna try this Mediterranean keto. So I got me some turkey. I got all of this from Sprouts. This seems like it was very, very clean. It's not processed. It's called Snack Packs True Story. It's non-GMO, oven roasted turkey, no nitrates. Nitrites or nitrates added. You can enjoy it with your olives, cheese, tomatoes, or avocados. It has this information right here, and then this is on the back. Their story. It's very clean, low in calories, no carbs, no fats, protein 7 grams. And this is all the ingredients that's in it. It's turkey breast, water, 2% or less of salt. That's it. And then it has on the back, you can call them or whatever. So I got that, and then I got some boar's head chipotle gouda. It was very clean. I don't think it was processed. Let's see. Ingredients: pasteurized milk, cheese culture, salt, enzymes, chipotle spices, jalapeno peppers, and a vegetable color. It says it contains milk produced in a facility that handles wheat, shellfish, eggs, fish, milks, peanuts, tree nuts, and soybeans. So as you can see, it's pretty clean. On the cheese, this is the chipotle gouda, not the regular smoked gouda. And then I went and got me some olives. I love olives, especially the ones with the pit in it. This is Jeff's Garden, non-GMO, verified, no artificial flavors or colors. I don't know what that number 745 is, but here's the ingredients. 2 olives is 20 calories, 2 grams of fat, 0 carbs, fiber, sugar, or protein. These are the ingredients: olives, water, sea salt, lactic acid, ascorbic acid. I'm thinking that's like a preservative for them. This is where they're made. It's a family-owned business. Contains pits. Refrigerate after opening. Here's their story. Right here. It's vegan as well. Gluten-free. And it's in water and not oil. But if you do get oil, get olive oil. If you get one with oil. And then I got me some avocados. These are large ones. They were 2 for $4 at Sprouts. So that's what I got. I'm about to make my yogurt. So I'm going to record that for you. And we're going to go from there. So let me be back. Okay, I am making my yogurt. So this is a different way. And this one is going to be made with coconut milk and cream. I never tried it with the cream. But I did try it with the coconut milk. Give me a second. Okay, I had to put my, I bought a new cast iron grill pot. So I had to put it in the oven for an hour to season it. So I'm going to see how this tastes with the coconut cream. But I got 1 cream, 1 milk. You can get any brand that you want. I chose Sprouts. They're organic. This is the ingredients on the milk. And this is the ingredients on the cream. So they're both 1/4 cup. So I got to switch my, make a new recipe. But the recipe that I have for the other coconut yogurt was like 61 calories, 3 grams of carbs. It was really low calories and not high calories like the sour cream only. So you're gonna need coconut cream, milk, whatever your choice is. I use lemon. I normally use a real lemon, but I only have one left, and I've been using it for my sparkling water. You got your heavy cream, not whipping cream, just regular heavy cream. And this is a local dairy here that they sell, but you can choose whatever one that you want. You got your sweetener. You can choose whatever sweetener you may like. I know I'm trying to back off the sugar, so I'm using monk fruit, which is good to me. And then some homemade vanilla flavor. Y'all can see the vanilla beans in there. And to make vanilla flavor homemade, just get you some vanilla beans and vodka and split the vanilla beans in half and just let it soak. I never take it out, and I just keep topping it off with vodka. And you got your vanilla extract homemade. I probably need to replace these vanilla beans, but it smells so good. So let's get started. Oh, and sour cream. I do use sour cream. This is the one I bought. It's organic. This is the nutrition facts on it. And the reason why I wanted to find another recipe is because, as you can see with sour cream, the serving size is 2 tablespoons. So if you're doing a 1/3 or a half a cup or 1/4 of a cup, it's going to be a lot of calories. So yeah, I needed to find another, but if you don't mind the calories and the simpleness of the sour cream with heavy cream and your sweetener and vanilla extract, be at it. But for those who, you know, don't want the high calories just from a 1/3, 1/4, half a cup of yogurt, this may work for you. So, I got my bowl. I already had yogurt in it, so I'm going to just add to it. So I'm going to put this coconut milk. Oops. Hold on. Okay, that's why I got the cream, because all I want is the cream out of here. I don't really want the water, so to say. I just put a little bit. I want more so of the cream, so it could be thick. And when you put it in the refrigerator, it will thicken. It's got water in it too. But the cream is on the top. So most of the cream was on the top on this one. But next time I'll just get the cream because it has more in it than the milk. The milk one just have a little bit of cream. Berries on here. So I'm just mixing it up. Just trying to get it as smooth as I can. And I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of my sweetener, because I put 2 cans. If you just do 1 can of cream or milk, all you probably should need is 2 tablespoons. But, you know, make it to your taste. Let's use the rest of this. There's no more in here. Then you're going to have, I'm going to use 4 because, again, I use 2 cups. So 4 tablespoons of the heavy cream. How many did I just do? Okay. I can do 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'll just do 1 tablespoon of the vanilla flavor, the vanilla extract. maybe 2. Two wouldn't hurt nobody. And then I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons of sour cream. I might need a bigger bowl. So everybody, here it is. And it will thicken up when you put it in the refrigerator and let it sit. But I did go back in and added 2 more tablespoons of sour cream, 2 more tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 more tablespoons of the sweetener, about a tablespoon of the lemon, and another tablespoon of vanilla flavor. That's what I did add. So once you add your granola or your fruit compote, which I will come back with a video on how I make that, it'll be all good. So, you know, if you taste it now and say, wait until you add your toppings to it, like your fruits, whether you do it in a compote or your granola, and it'll taste much better. So that is my new yogurt recipe, and this is probably with me adding more sour cream and heavy whipping cream to it. It's probably about 70 calories, but I did measure it out per serving and put it in my what is that called, MyFitnessPal, as my recipe. And the original recipe, which is 1/3 cup and all of the other ingredients, it came out to be like 61 calories per 1/3 cup with 3 grams of carbs. So I just think this is more. But if you look into, you know, just make it really simple where you don't have to get coconut milk or cream. I would rather get the cream because there's more in it than if you just do the coconut milk. It's more of the cream in it, whereas the coconut milk is more coconut milk and less cream. You know, just do it like that and eat on it every day. And it does have cultures in it as well, but if you do it with like this and you don't add sour cream, you know, get you like a probiotic capsule and open it up and put it in, you know, so you'll have active cultures. It'll be like an active culture yogurt. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. A more lower calorie yogurt, homemade yogurt option. When you put it in the refrigerator, it will thicken up. It's not going to be loose like that. So until next time, y'all be safe out there. Thank y'all for supporting me and watching my vids. And I'll keep coming at y'all with these recipes as I do them. Peace.